Want to know how many members are in your Telegram channel? Let's dive in and see members within a few steps. But first, don't forget to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to check Telegram channel member. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Go to the search bar at the top of your screen. It is marked with a magnifying glass. Type in the name or username of the channel you are looking for and tap the channel in the search result to enter it. Channels can be either public or private. In both cases, you will be able to view the channel content and interact as a subscriber, but your access to member information depends on your admin status. On the top of your screen, you will see the channel name and profile picture. Tap on it to open the channel information page. On the channel info page, you will see the number of members or subscribers listed below the channel name. For public channel, the member count will be visible to everyone. But for private channels, the exact number count might be only visible to the channel admins or members. If you are just a regular subscriber, you may not have access to the member list. So this is how to check Telegram channel members. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.